Come on.
It took you so long. Sorry. I've been waiting here for an hour.
Can't help it, I'm sorry.
Don't yell at me. Okay. Whatever. Walk.
We're here now, so.
And she's wearing a... Okay.
It's a boy.
Alright, so...
It's a boy. It's cute.
Okay. Now, the first episode of this collection is going to be random hats. And we're going to be somewhere random. Right now we're in a graveyard. Graveyard. Don't.
Yeah, if you can see it, we're in a graveyard.
Yeah.
Big one.
Yeah. I don't know why this is random, but
Graveyard.
whatever. Okay. This first video of the collection is random hats. Random hats in a graveyard.
Random hats in a graveyard. I get excited.
Now, okay. So, what?
Okay.
What you do?
She's mean to me.
All right.
I'm not talking to you.
Okay. Well, as you can see, we are wearing random hats. He's wearing a red. I'm wearing a purple hat and a wig. And, yeah.
I mean, I'm not talking to you.
Okay. Well, we are going to walk around the graveyard and pick out random tombstones.
Just that.
Stuff. So the camera's sitting on a tombstone right now, which has some writing on it, so we can do that. Oh wait, for this graveyard.
Wait, hold on. I need to zoom out.
For the graveyard thing, we have to change hats.
Yay!
Okay, so we're gonna change hats.
Okay.